In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create inventory products in QuickBooks Online. We'll start on the main dashboard. On the left panel, click Sales, then open the Products and Services tab. This page is your catalog. It lists every product and service you've added with key details like name, rate, and tax status. From here, you can add new items, edit existing ones, or remove items you no longer use. Using clear names and accurate rates makes items easy to find later and reduces mistakes on sales forms. To add something new, go to the top right and click the New button. QuickBooks will ask whether you're creating a product or a service. Choose Product if you sell a physical item, or Service if you provide work like consulting or installation. If you select Product, you'll see fields to describe what you sell. Give it a clear name and, if helpful, an internal CIEU. Add a customer-facing description, set the sales price or rate, and enter your cost. If you track quantity, add the quantity on hand and an optional reorder point to help manage stock. Mark whether the item is taxable, then review for accuracy. Consistent descriptions help your team and customers know exactly what they're getting. If you select Service, the process is similar but simpler. Provide a name, a customer-facing description, and a rate. There's no stock to manage for services. Click Save when you're done, and the new item appears in your list. To make changes later, find the item in Products and Services, click Edit, and update the details. If an item is no longer needed, you can remove it or make it inactive to keep the list tidy. Once your products and services are set up, using them on sales forms is easy. When you create an invoice, select the item from the product or service column. QuickBooks fills in the description, rate, and tax settings automatically, and you can adjust quantity or price as needed. That consistency saves time and keeps records accurate. And that's it. Your catalog is ready to go, and your invoices will be faster and more consistent from here on out.